Good morning. Today we are in St. Petersburg, Florida. Let's go explore. But first, breakfast.
This place is amazing, guys. I'm so excited.
You've eaten here before?
Yes, I have. In Daytona.
That taco's pretty.
Remember, guys, that is not ketchup.
That's jam.
Look at all those cattails. Where are we, guys?
Florida Botanical Gardens.
Woo! I love botanical gardens. What?
So we're here.
All about that.
Okay.
So the Heritage Village is right here. This is like an old time, like all these houses are old.
That's on that side?
Yeah, and then the botanical garden. Whoa, there's a butterfly garden.
Oh, cool. Let's go check it out. Oh, cool. Look. What? Wow. Look at butterflies. Look at all the butterflies. You're so magical. Oh, look how pretty these pentas. Wow. And the marigolds. Look at how beautiful this chair is. Go ahead, Alyssa. Sit down. Photo shoot.
Oh, it's not that bad.
Nice. Beautiful. I'm gonna go see what the girls are up to. What's that?
She's trying to figure it out.
She's trying to figure it out. It's musical. I guess you had the right idea. That I want that for our house one day. It's like
Oh, this. Okay.
yeah, so we can grow things. This is probably like a pumpkin or a squash or something. Look at it's growing things. Are you guys looking at this? It's growing things.
It is.
Look.
What is it growing?
Loofah. I don't know. Look, guys, blackberries. They look red at first, but they turn black, I promise.
Look at that one. It's so beautiful.
Look at this banana. It's a dwarf Cavendish banana. How cute. I feel like an orangutan hiding from the sun.
Mango.
Mango?
Ay.
Oh, mangoes. And pineapples. Wow.
Wow.
Wow, look.
Oh, wow, look at it. It does have one right there.
Yeah, it's like they're trying to kill Jay. Mangoes and guayaba.
Let's go check out more tropical fruit.
More bananas.
Yes. Ooh, removal of plants is theft of public property.
1,000 fingers. I thought it said Mufasa.
I love lychee. Oh, look, papaya. These are grapes.
They don't let like
Mangoes.
do you have to escape something later?
Look, pineapple.
Oranges.
Blood orange. Ooh, how cool. Oranges. Wow, those are really big. What kind of fish do you think they are?
Girl, if you don't know.
Well, Jay usually knows. Wow, these nature trails are really something. What is that? Oh my gosh. Wow, that was unexpected. Oh, a raccoon where?
No, you see how all the things
Yeah.
are moving right there.
Eating out here.
Listen, what was that word?
I can knock over when the wind blows a little too hard.
Oh! So beautiful. Ha! Look how interesting this one is. They're like flat discs and little satellites. We're now entering the wedding garden. Oh, this is beautiful. Wow. Oh my goodness. Wow. Look how nice. I guess this is where you would get married. And you enter through here. So you walk from here through this gate. Dun 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my God, he's so emotional. Dun, 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 dun. And then the people would be sitting here and here and they'd be crying like this. Oh my God. It's so hot. It's so hot, but it's so beautiful. We are in here basically July. So, you know, it's gonna be a little hot.
Where's it raining?
Or a lot of hot. It's a beautiful blue sunny skies right here and then right over here. It's the end of the world. So we gotta head home now before the rain catches us.
And before my nose bleeds on all the...
Oh yeah, she got a nosebleed.
Again.
She's okay though. This botanical garden is much bigger than I thought it was when I looked on it. When I looked at it on the map. So.
It's pretty nice.
It is really nice.
Honestly, I haven't known where I was going the entire time.
I know, it's the first time I got lost. It's pretty cool, I like it. They look like they know where they're going. Oh, and you can bring your doggies. Hi. Yeah, we came full circle. We started in here, we went inside, and then I guess we just made it out through here. Yay!